Hi, welcome to the tutorial of our Fountain Master pumps. Our Fountain Master pumps are great mag drive pumps, and they're perfect for low head height pond applications such as bird baths and indoor tabletop fountains. They contain no oil, so they're safe for your fish. The 90, the 170, and the 250, they do not come with nozzles. However, the 350 and up do. And as you can see on display, here are our nozzles that the 350 and up come with. They come with the Bell fountain nozzle, the 3-tier fountain nozzle, and the foam jet. Now, on the 3 smaller ones, you can notice that they have the front flow control attached to them, whereas the 350 and up has it as an option to put on or take off. If you need a more condensed area, you can take the screen off of these and put the smaller flow screen on there. And the great thing about these pumps is they're also all backed by our 2-year warranty. For more information, visit halfoffponds.com. Thanks for watching.